Babe, stop.
All right.
Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you just gonna sit there and laugh? You just gonna sit there and laugh? What is so funny?
Because I already know what you're going to say before you even say it.
You're annoying.
You're like, I'm like, all right, let it out already.
Okay, can I clear my throat? Okay. Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for rocking with your girl and thank you for coming back to see me. And if you are new, if this is your very first time here, let me know in the comments below how you found my channel, and thank you for coming to my page. If you like what you see at the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and stay tuned for this interesting unit. So today I am reviewing another Bobbi Boss unit. I do have a Bobbi Boss playlist if you want to check that out. And today it is the free position wig, shift to choose your parting position. It's in the style MLF314 ROXIE, and I got it in the color FS4/2730. And I don't know, y'all. I don't know about this color. It's just, this is giving me like some 90s, like Britney Spears vibes. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know. This is just giving me like some raccoon vibes. I just don't like the streaked highlights. I don't know. I don't like it. It's not for me. So this is a top quality cap, hand tied, hand knotted lace part. It's a 4-inch lace parting space, and this is what the card looks like, and this is what the back of the card looks like. And it has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well, and it definitely is big head friendly, so I will say that. I know in the past Bobbi Boss, they usually make cap sizes pretty small, but this one is definitely big head friendly. I do like the pattern. I just don't like it in this color. I wish I would have got it in like a 1B or 2, maybe even a 4, but I'm just not feeling this color. The texture of it is kinky, so it is like a kinky synthetic wig. Keep that in mind. If you guys can see the texture, that's what it's looking like. So the curl pattern and the fullness of this unit is definitely giving me some Diana Ross vibes. It is big and luscious, and the curls are pretty. So I'm going to give you guys a 360. Can you see it? I will say that this is a beginner friendly wig. The only thing that I really did was cut the lace. There wasn't that much lace on there to begin with, but I cut the lace, and then I added some leftover foundation from my beauty blender. Typically I would go in with my tinted lace spray, but because the lace was like this short, I felt like I didn't need to do that, and I just went in with my beauty blender leftover foundation, went in, and then I had used my Juvia's Place palette. I got a little ghetto, y'all. I used my Juvia's Place palette in the chocolate, and I used this middle color, and I went in with the middle part, and then I also darkened the roots. If you've been watching my last couple videos, I have been feeling like darkening the roots along the hairline has been helping me blend the wigs in a little more seamlessly. And I cut just a little bit of baby hair just to lay this down to make it look a little more natural, because it just looked wiggy, especially with all of these color combinations. You know, I can't just pull out my natural hair. If you do get this unit, in your natural hair color, I would suggest just pulling out your baby hairs to cover it up. That's honestly the easiest way to go. I would not recommend gluing this unit down. And it says it's a shiftable part, so you can lift it up and move it. Unfortunately, I did glue down my baby hairs right here, so I don't want to move it, but yeah, you can rock this as a side part as well. So just keep that in mind. So I got this unit from Wig Types. It does range on the website for about $28. And yeah, this is definitely a lot of hair, so you are getting a bang for your buck. I will say, I don't think this unit is going to last a long time because it's synthetic hair. I also think because it's a textured wig, it's not going to last that long because of the length and the curl pattern and the fact that I can't even run my fingers through. I don't think this wig is going to last too long, so this is not an everyday wig. As far as shedding, there's minimal shedding, not too much. I do see some strands coming out as I'm pulling through, so just keep that in mind as well. I think they should have named this unit Sasha, because I'm feeling like a whole Bratz doll right now. Bratz. Yes. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this unit. It was a quick, easy review. Let me know what you guys think of this color and the curls and the unit overall. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time.